Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Experian CreditWorks program enrollment steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Experian CreditWorks program, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Experian website and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the search function. Type CreditWorks in the search bar and hit enter. From the search results, click on the link to the Experian CreditWorks program. You will be directed to the CreditWorks information page. Review the details to ensure this is the right service for you. Look for the Enroll Now or Get Started button and click on it. This action will lead you to the enrollment form. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. Ensure your name, address, and email are entered accurately. Select your preferred membership plan from the options available. Once you have made your selection, click the Continue button. Next, you will need to create a username and password for your account. Ensure your password is strong, containing a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your credentials, proceed to the next section. You may be asked to answer security questions for account recovery. Choose questions and provide answers you will remember. Click Continue to move forward in the enrollment process. Review your information to ensure accuracy before submitting. Once verified, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Experian. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to activate your account. When your account is activated, return to the Experian CreditWorks login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click the Login button to access your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.